In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Claude code in a container. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what's required to unlock the containerized coding workspace inside Claude. This environment is designed to run real code securely in the cloud, so you can iterate quickly without configuring anything on your local machine. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude's new chat page. This is the default starting point for creating conversations and accessing Claude's different tools. Give the page a moment to load fully so the sidebar and workspace options are visible. On the left side, look for the option labeled Code. This is where Claude's container workspace lives. When you select it, you're essentially telling Claude you want an interactive coding session where it can generate, execute, and debug code with you. Think of it as a lightweight, on-demand development environment that spins up behind the scenes. Inside this workspace, Claude can run commands, manage files, and test programs in a secure container. The benefit is that the setup is handled for you. No local dependencies, no version conflicts, and no manual configuration. It's ideal for quick prototypes, experimenting with libraries, or verifying snippets that would otherwise require a lot of setup time. Now, here's the key point. Access to this code environment requires an upgrade. If you click into code without an eligible plan, you'll see a prompt explaining that you need to upgrade to use it. That message appears because the feature relies on dedicated compute to launch and maintain the container session, which is part of the paid offering. Before you proceed, take a moment to review what the upgrade includes, such as usage limits, session durations, and any workspace constraints like CPU, memory, or timeouts. Understanding these details helps you plan your work, especially if you're running longer tasks or installing larger packages. It also gives you a sense of how the environment behaves across sessions. For example, that containers are ephemeral and may reset. Once your plan includes code, simply returning to the code view will allow the container to start. You'll know it's ready when you see the File Explorer and terminal-style outputs available. From there, you can ask Claude to create files, run commands, and iterate on code in real time, all within the secure container. To recap, open Claude in your browser, choose the code workspace from the left sidebar, and note that an upgraded plan is required to enable the container. With that in place, you'll be able to install and run code seamlessly, guided step by step by Claude inside a managed cloud-based environment.